in this video I will discuss TradeStation. What is TradeStation? Trading and brokerage services. So let's start the video. We open the main website of TradeStation. Traded, we have it. This is the main page of the website. Spend your time trading, not wondering what is cost. Stock $0 per trade and $0 as low as 0.50 per contract. Why TradeStation? New traders or seasoned professionals can experience the full suite of powerful trading technology, online brokerage services, and trading education all under one roof. Platform cutting edge trading technology that provides power, reliability, and mobility. Let's move on the other website. Can you use TradeStation for free? Traders who are not brokerage clients can subscribe to use TradeStation tools. Non-professional traders pay $99 per month, while professional traders are charged $199 per month. Is TradeStation better than Ameritrade? After testing 15 of the best online trade brokers over 6 months, TD Ameritrade is better than TradeStation. Ameritrade is better than TradeStation. What can you trade on TradeStation? TradeStation has commission-free stock on and ETF trades and competitive pricing and option, future options and crypto. Can I buy a Bitcoin on TradeStation? TradeStation crypto allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, but you can quickly move between all trading platforms offered by TradeStation companies. Can you buy penny stocks on TradeStation? TradeStation offers two mobile apps, open options TC Select and TS Go. TS Select and TS Go both offering zero commission trades on penny stocks and all other equities. And TradeStation trading and brokerage. These are trading and brokerage showing 16,000 plus investors today. What can you trade? Can you trade stocks on TradeStation? Both stocks and options can be traded in TradeStation equities account. Hope you like the video. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you.